Hey, welcome back.
Say hello to my onions. Yesterday I made a cooking video and I felt a bit guilty about not so many vegetables. So we took a trip to the market today and got something colorful. Very small cauliflower, some beautiful small tomatoes, really yummy avocados. Got a selection of apples, white radish, and for the big dessert, of course, fresh strawberries. And for the main course, seems I'm gonna have to put my hand here so you can see the size of these. They are huge. So time to start some cooking, and thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and do feel free to subscribe. If not, don't forget to smile.